Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm gonna let you know how you can transfer Google Photos to another account. So to move your Google Photos to another account, you have to follow the simple steps. First of all, open up the particular Google Photos account, and let's say this is the particular photos or videos that I wish to transfer. Now what you need to do is press the share button located in the top right hand side. Now go ahead and create a shareable link. So click on create a link. Now click on create a link one more time and tap on copy. When you've actually copied this, open up a new browser or a new account, and here you need to go ahead and paste in the link that you recently copied. Now that you have an access of a particular photo, what you need to do is you need to go ahead and log in if you have not already, and then you need to press the download button. When you do this, the photos will be saved to the another account, and then you could go to the main account and delete the photos from this particular page. This is the way you could go and move Google Photos to another account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.